Hello, my friends. It's Gerald G. Jacobowski, the Millennial Real Estate Broker. Lately, I've been getting a lot of questions on what the home buying process looks like. So whether or not you're a first-time home buyer or a seasoned buyer, I've created a video for you to check out. So let's take a look at it together. The home buying process is like a machine. There are a bunch of different pieces within the process. Each piece must work together to get the results you need. First, there's me, the real estate broker. Then the lender, the escrow officer, the inspector, and the appraiser. All of these are key factors in the home buying process. But what exactly do they do? Let's take a closer look. First, you have me, the real estate agent. My job is to find out what your wants, needs, and priorities are. From there, I research properties and find a selection that are personally tailored to you within your budget. Once we find a property that we want to move forward with, I negotiate prices, terms, and closing costs on your behalf. Plus, with me, I'm here to take your questions at any point during the buying process. I want you to be comfortable and place you in the driver's seat. Remember, I am here to serve you. The next part of the machine is the finance part. Typically, you'll see a mortgage broker, but there are banks and credit unions as well. Your lender will ask you questions relating to finance. They'll want to know about your employment, assets, debts, credit score, work history, and so on and so on. They do this so they can get you a pre-approval letter and find a loan that will best fit you. This pre-approval is key because it shows that you are a serious buyer. If you don't have a lender, let's talk and I'll help point you in the right direction. The next part of our machine is the title company. An escrow officer maintains your escrow money, checks and clears title, ensures the title gets recorded, and works with the lender to gather all documents to close the loan. The biggest advantage for escrow companies is that they are neutral third parties. They are here to get things done correctly. When we come to the point where we have found the home of your choosing, I highly recommend an inspection. An inspector will provide you with a home inspection report. This lets you know what repairs are needed, which areas are up to par, and which ones exceed standards. Think of an inspector as a house doctor. Your doctor knows a little bit about each aspect of the human body. They are able to diagnose your well-being and then direct you to the right specialists. A home inspector will recommend certain specialists based on the home inspection. Similarly, the last step is the appraisal of the home. An appraiser is sent to view the property and assign a value based on comparables. Remember, a lender can only give you financing for what the property appraised at. It's important to note that the inspection is for you, the buyer, and the appraisal is for the bank. As you can see, there are many moving parts in the real estate process. This is where my value comes in. Remember, I discover your needs, wants, and priorities, research properties, negotiate prices, terms, and closing costs, answer questions, and I make sure that the documents and delivery deadlines are met. As you can see, it's no secret that the buyer's process is a complex and timely journey. Feel free to ask me any questions. It's my pleasure to be able to address your concerns in moving forward so we can get you in the home that you want. I will keep your best interests in mind and I am here to serve you. I can be reached at 541-941-0531 or emailed at 541callg@gmail.com. Feel free to contact me on social media as well. You can be sure that I'll jump in and engage with you. Until next time, I'm Gerald G. Jacobowski, the Millennial Real Estate Broker. So now you're an expert on the home buying process. But in all reality, if there's anything that didn't click, you have my contact information at 541-941-0531. Or better yet, comment in the boxes down below. Let me know what kind of questions you still have, or let me know of any ideas of videos you'd like me to do in the future. Until then, I'm Gerald G. Jacobowski, the Millennial Real Estate Broker.